Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to remove games shortcut on Facebook. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and start the tutorial. On your smartphone, open the Facebook app. So this is the game's shortcut. So the way to remove that is very easy. Now first, let's go back to the Home tab. Then click this three lines icon. After that, click Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down until you see the tab bar. Now tap on it. After that, select this Customize bar. As you can see, gaming is pinned in your navigation bar. Now to remove it, just click this drop down menu. From pin, change it to auto. So that will remove the gaming from the navigation bar. When you go back, you will no longer see the gaming shortcut. So that's it for this tutorial. So for more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.